Hello students, welcome to Suraj School Bhiwadi. As you know that we are discussing chapter number 8, that is linear equations in one variable. So today we are going to discuss next exercise, and the topic is solving linear equations having the variables on both sides. So this time you will have the equation, clearly you can see in this example number 4 that variables will be on both sides. Okay, variable will be on both sides. So what you have to do, in case where an equation consists of variable terms and numbers on both sides, the method of solving involves transposition. The word is transposition. You will do the transpose, you will do the shifting, you will do the transfer. Okay, so you will transfer variables and variable term on one side and numeral on one side. There is a sign of equal, then you will put the variables number on one side and the constant numbers on the second side. So what are the steps? Just look at step number 1. Identify the variable terms and numerals. Firstly, identify the variable terms. Here you can see the variable terms in this question, 3x and 6x, and numerals are 6 by 5, 3 by 25. This is first step. Step 2, simplify the left hand side and the right hand side. Okay, just you have variables with together and numerals with together, and after this just simplify. Second step is simplify. So 3x minus 6x minus 3x, and you do the simplification here by taking LCM. Simplification done. Transpose variable terms to the left hand side and numerals to the right hand side. Simplify, divide both sides by the coefficients of the variable. Now here the coefficient is minus 3, divide both sides. So from here you will get 9 by 25. Whatever value you are getting, just put it back in the question, and your left hand side and right hand side will be similar. So what is the task, beta? In simple way I am telling you, just make the variables together, just make the numbers together, do the simplification. Simplification means your calculation. Okay, so let us do. Remember, the variable terms are always transposed to the left hand side. Always variable should be in the left hand side, means x, y, whatever numbers are there, they should be on the left side. Always remember to change the sign. While when you change the side, you just change the sign. So remember means you have to remember it, that variable should be in the left hand side and the numerals will be on the right hand side, and whenever you will transpose, you just change the sign, plus to minus. So you can try this exercise. We will solve some of the questions today in the video. For example, A we are discussing x minus 4 upon 2 minus x minus 3 upon 4 equal to 1 upon 6. So here you can see the variables are together, x minus 4, x minus 3. Just take the LCM. So when you take the LCM, it is 4. 2 and 4 LCM is 4. Divide 4 by 2, it is 2. So multiply 2x minus 4. Here you have x minus 3. Then it is 1 upon x. Multiply 2x, 2 4s are 8. Then minus x. Then minus plus 3. I have written the question, then I have taken the LCM, then I am solving, I am simplifying it. Now you can put the variables together. 2x minus x, that is x, minus 8 plus 3, that is minus 5. Now it is 1 upon 6. Now do the cross multiplication. X minus 5 multiplied by 6, it will be 6x minus 30. Then 1 multiplied by 4, it is 4. Then minus 30 will change the sign. I ask you that whenever there is a transposition, sign will change. This minus 30 will become plus 30. So this is 6x is equal to 34. So x is equal to 34 upon 6. So in this manner you will do the question. Let us take one more part, that is D. Let us take D part. 2 upon 3 x plus 1 is equal to 3 upon 4 x plus 1. So firstly collect the variables together. Okay, so this is 2 by 3x, take 3 by 4 x plus 1 in left hand side. So you are changing the sides, so this plus 1 will become minus 1 and this plus 3 by 4 become minus 3 by 4. Now take the LCM. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Now divide 12 by 3, it is 4. So multiply it by 4, it is 4 to the 8x. Now divide 12 by 4, it is 3. So 3 3s are 9, x plus 1. After this, again simplification process, solve the bracket. 8x minus 9x minus 9 minus 1. Now 8x minus 9x, it will be minus 1x minus 9 upon 12. After this, what is the task beta? Just do the cross multiplication. So minus 1x minus 9 is equal to minus 12. Now take minus 9 on the other side, minus 12 plus 9. Minus 1x is equal to minus 3. X equal 3. This chapter is very crucial because algebra rules are using here, algebraic expressions, some identities we are using here, also sign of plus and minus, also LCM. So you have the complete basics while attempting this chapter. So your answer is x is equal to 3. So you have to try this exercise one by one. You can easily do this exercise. Now if we talk about E part, so it is x upon 3, 1.5 minus 0.12x, then 0.5 plus x upon 2. So firstly you take all the variables together and then take the LCM. X upon 3, 0.12x, then 0.5 plus x upon 2 and take 1.5 on the other side. Take the LCM and do on a single page. The complete question should be on one page so that you can get a answer clearly. Here in F part, while attempting F part, x plus 4 whole square. So firstly open this identity. In x minus 4 whole square, open this identity and then start solving the simplification. In this question, in the G part, you can see 5x minus 2 upon 4. Here there is a bracket, outside the bracket there is a 1 by 5. So firstly multiply this 1 by 5 and this, multiply this, and in the inside bracket you can also take the LCM. So firstly solve the bracket. In question number H, you can see here the identity 3x plus 5 x plus 2, 3x plus 5 x minus 2. So you clearly see here that p plus q whole square plus p minus q whole square, p plus q, p minus q. So you just open the identity here, p square plus q square plus 2pq. Again open the identity here, p square plus q square minus 2pq. This is a lengthy question you have to do in your notebook. P square plus q square plus 2pq. Here p square plus q square minus 2pq. Then you will do the simplification. Your base must be clear before starting this chapter. All rules of multiplication, addition, subtraction and division of the polynomials, and remember that like terms are added or subtracted. In I part, you can clearly see that x minus 0.4, 0.5 upon 0.35. So don't get scared of the decimal, no problem is there. Same scenario is there, take 1. If nothing is there, take 1 in the denominator. Take LCM, and simplification rule are same as in other questions. So whenever there is a sign of bracket, firstly try to solve the bracket, then take the LCM. Here also in the question number J part, you are watching this identity and this identity. So what is the task? Firstly you just solve it, multiply these linear polynomials. Here also multiply and then do the calculation. Okay, and here there is nothing in the denominator, this is 1. So take the LCM in the left hand side, take the LCM in the right hand side. So what you have to do, you just know how to take the LCM. You will use cross multiplication in this exercise and the basic rule of addition and subtraction. So today you will practice this exercise. All questions, one question should be on a single page. Okay, and again you will also check. When you check, your left hand side and your right hand side should be similar. I am not solving all the questions because you have to practice, you have to be perfect in solving the questions. If any answer is mismatching, you can ask me in the live class. Thank you so much. God bless you.